I was sent this award-winning organic cold-pressed olive oil. Comes in this beautiful bag, and then check out this box as well. So let's open it up. This is from Moroccan olives, cold-pressed, absolutely stunning. This would make a great gift. And it is award-winning, so tons of awards. It has low acidity, and the best part is I get to taste test it for you right now. This is rich in polyphenols and antioxidants. First, I want to just taste test it straight. So I'm going to put a little bit onto a spoon. There we go. Wow. It is such a good, strong tasting olive oil. Kind of buttery, but like peppery all at the same time. I've had olive oils where they're so light you don't even taste it. This one, you definitely taste. This is gonna be really good in salad dressings, and also I'm gonna taste it just dipped with some bread and some salt. So let's go ahead and sprinkle a little bit on my sourdough right here, and then we'll add a little bit of some salt, and let's taste. That is so good. Okay, wow. If you are looking for a very strong, flavorful olive oil, this one is amazing. There's gonna be so many ways you can cook with it. And also, if you just want it straight to dip with bread, you're gonna love it.